Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Teams and signing in with the same account used for Outlook. This ensures mailbox access. Once signed in, use the app search to find Outlook, then add it to Teams and pin it to the left rail. This links the Outlook web UI into Teams so your calendar and mail integrate. Make sure syncing is allowed by your admin policy, otherwise request access now. Doing this first saves repeated logins and keeps mail, calendar, and contacts unified in one app. Once Outlook is added, click its tab to open Mail and Calendar inside Teams. You can compose mail, use the search bar, and switch to Calendar to schedule meetings. When you schedule, choose Teams Meeting to auto-add conferencing links. Drag an email into the calendar to create an event or into tasks to set follow-ups. This keeps context tied to messages. Make sure your default account is correct in the top right so messages and invites send from the intended address, preserving attendee expectations and tracking. To finish, confirm every meeting invite contains the Teams link and correct time zone so attendees join on time. Once done, review your inbox and calendar to ensure items synced. If something's missing, sign out and back in, restart Teams and check for app updates. If mail still doesn't appear, clear cached credentials and verify mailbox permissions in Exchange or with your admin. One key tip: when syncing fails repeatedly, re-adding the Outlook app in Teams often resolves stale token and permission problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.